Hi there, my name is Lauren Feagler. I'm HR manager here. I've been with Allegion for 4 years and at TGP for 2.5. So my favorite company-wide recognition program is the TGP award. That's the Totally Great Person award. I really love that one because it highlights, the 1 or 2 winners that have done great work over the course of the year, but it also highlights all of the nominations and submissions. So I get to read through those and see, 50 people that their coworkers have nominated for doing truly great work over the course of the year, and just the care and dedication that people have. Seeing that all at once is a really great program. So my favorite team building memory at TGP has got to be when we did mini golf here on site. So it was really fun. We gave employees an opportunity to join a team to build the mini golf holes. So they did that the night before. They got to work with a few coworkers that they might not see regularly and be creative and build those holes actually throughout our facility here, which was a lot of fun. And then the next day, each team member got an opportunity to actually go through the mini golf course. So again, they were working with people they don't see regularly, maybe people on different teams, but they got to see that kind of fun, silly side, talk to people they don't see every day, and take some time away from their regular job, which was a blast.